Hello everyone, my name is Reja Fauzan Firdaus from class Teh 1A. And for today, I will show you how the reservation in restaurant with repeated guests should be done. Let's get started. Good afternoon, Mr. Morgan. Are we making another reservation again for tomorrow?
Yes, please, just like usual.
Perfect. Let me just confirm a few details with you to make sure everything's set up.
Yes, please.
Great. And would you like the reservation to be under my name again as your contact person?
Yes, John, that works.
Excellent. Now for the date, so I put it down for tomorrow.
Yes, June 24th is correct.
Alright. And the time? Would you like to stick with 7 p.m.?
Yes, 7 p.m. as usual.
Alright. And we will be there to guests, just like last time.
Yes, there will be 2 of us.
Understood. I still have your contact number list as 081234 7890. Is that still the best contact to reach you?
Yes, that's still my number.
Wonderful. Lastly, usually request the corner table near the window, away from the crowd. So I reserve the same table for you again.
Yes, I really appreciate that.
No problem at all, Mr. Morgan. So the reservation will be made for tomorrow at 7 p.m. with table near the window for 2 person. Everything looks perfect. We'll have your usual table ready. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
No, that covers everything. Thank you for always taking care of us.
It's our pleasure, Mr. Morgan. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow evening.
Thank you.
Thank you.